Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and yesterday's video was about showing appreciation to my subscribers. Today I want to actually add a little bit of content back to the channel. I wasn't able, like I said yesterday, I wasn't able to make it to the mall in time for the Hyper Royal 13s to get them in hand and look at them and do a little review on them or anything like that. So today me and Joso are gonna go to the outlet and just see, just see what's out there. See what's out our local Nike outlet. And we might go to the mall, do a little mall vlog as well. But right now, about to head in the Waffle House, one of our second home where we love to eat breakfast. So we're gonna stop and grab something to eat first. Then we'll go off to the Nike outlet. Then we'll probably stop by the mall to see if anything is still sitting. We'll go to a different mall than we went to yesterday. And I also got to get some jeans, so I'm going to go to PacSun as well.
Psychopath.
All right, y'all, so we done made it to the Nike outlet. We're going to pop inside real quick, see what they got. Any steals? Any deals? Anything off the hash wall in the back?
He's just trying to rhyme.
Go in, go see what's on foot. Got them bread toes on, you know what I'm saying? Just normal Nike shirt. Stay hustling. Moving so fast. Black and red all day. 2 chains. Let's see what we got. The all-time highest selling dad shoe in the history of Nike, the Monarch. Excuse me, guys. A Nike boot.
I wanted the Huaraches. They have some Huaraches.
This might be the worst Nike outlet in the state, to be honest with you. Got some Dunks, not bad, not bad. Colorway. Special Forces, same prices. I like the all black joints. They $150, that's a little high. More Bonafides. Actually, I think these were Jake Kidd's. If I'm not, I think he wore those back in his day. Some KDs, not in store. On the website. Uh-oh, what did I see? Uh-oh, look what's next at the outlet. They've been sitting in the malls too long. They'll be here soon. There's some Hyper Dunks. I just usually come in and look at everything. Somebody actually watched one of my last outlet vlog, and it wasn't something that I was looking for, but they found something they were looking for just by watching. This might be the driest.
You want to try that on?
Yeah. Oh, excuse me, you're fine. This might be the driest outlet mall, Nike store in the state. I should have went to the other one. These Dave Lettermans are not bad. Price isn't bad. They didn't got the Charlotte's hands for $120. That's not a bad price. But let's head to the hash wall. 2 pair were on the back hash wall, and both of these are examples of sneakers that people typically either love or they hate with a passion. But for the price, I'm gonna try them both on. What y'all think?
Thank you.
Kinda dope. I can't even lie. Got them tennis balls. You know what I'm saying? Bonafides on. I actually like these a lot, man. These look so much better on foot. I try to tell everybody that just because something might look weird on the shelf, and they're super comfortable. Super, super comfortable. I might cop these. Use my $10 off this time that I forgot to do last time. I don't know. What y'all think? Which ones? Well, as y'all can see, I secured the bag. Josiah got a basketball. See if I can get some lighting for y'all. What do y'all think that I copped? I only got 1 pair. Which ones did I get? What y'all think? Did I get the Tularias? Did I get the Bonafides? I don't know. I guess we see when we get home. We got to stop at PacSun first, though. Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? So I made it back to the house. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because my battery is about to die. So I'm going to try to get this all in. I only picked up 1 thing at the outlet. There's 2 options. I asked you guys, what did you think that I got? So I got it right here. And as y'all know, there are no tops on the boxes from the hash wall. I'll start off with the receipt. The receipt says that these sneakers were only $59.99. With taxes, it came to $64.99, but I used my $10 off coupon, which you get at the bottom of every Nike receipt. Go to your Nike outlets, and I got these. Now, I'm sure some of you got it, some of you probably didn't, but I got the Nike Air Bonafides. Nike Flight, not Nike Air, Nike Flight Bonafides, no top to the box. Size 10.5. As you can see on the box, $59.99. That's it. Made it to the hash wall. They look really good on foot. Finally broke my babies out today. My bread toes. So that was probably the worst. That's probably one of our worst outlets. Oddly, the one in Cleveland is even worse than that one. They had a bunch of cleats in there. So I don't know what that's all about, but we still had a good time. We still got out of the house and had some fun. So I just want to do a quick vlog with y'all. I didn't see any. I went to PacSun. There was nothing really to record in there. I didn't get any jeans or anything like that, so I didn't see anything that I really wanted that was worth filming. But anyway, got me some Nike Flight Bonafides. Can't wait to add those to the collection and put those into good use, get these out on the streets. So I'm gonna let y'all go with that. I'm preparing myself for the next couple weekends in a row. Got my Bread 9s on deck. Got my I'm Back 10s on deck. And I also can get more pairs. So if anybody want to comment down below, my email is in the about section. So you can get my email address. If not, I'll put it down here on the screen and make it easy on y'all. If y'all interested, if y'all not getting them in your area, hit your boy up. I can get my hands on both of those. extra pair, my own personal pair, and I can help you guys out. If you're not getting them in your area, just let me know. But with all that being said, OVE!